This video is going to be straight to the point, and it's only for people that are tired of struggling, people that are ready to change their lives. So if you watch this video to the end, I'll be giving you access to some exclusive gifts only if you watch without skipping, without fast forwarding. If you are not going to watch the video to the end, just message the person that sent this video to you that you are not interested, then we'll close the chapter there. But if you watch it to the end, if you are not going to close the chapter, then it means that you are ready to elevate and you want to be part of the people that are using social media to change their lives. Okay, now hard work can never make you rich, and you don't even need to do Yahoo. You don't need to engage yourself into illicit stuff or doing hookup, illegal stuff that if the government caught you, you are going to be jailed or put in life imprisonment. Do you understand? So you don't need to do anything negative for you to make it anymore. See, I was 10 years into the barbing system. I worked hard all my life, though that wasn't the only job I did, but I wasted my life. I was busy, but I wasn't even earning. Do you understand? I had no system until I discovered the digital leverage that changed my life. And that was the turning point, the day my life changed, when I discovered the digital leverage. One day I learned something very important, which is online money is not luck, it is system. When you have the right system, your income become unstoppable. I'm telling you, this is me, okay? Few years back, before, can you see before how I look? And look at me recently. Look at my recent pictures and look at the kuban, the chain. This is highs on my neck. What's $500,000 on my neck? And if you are going to calculate with the amount of the watch I'm wearing is close to $1 million. Now go and make research about it to find out. This is just a result of the system that I just go access, that you want to get access to. So make sure you watch this video to end, and I will be showing you the nitty-gritty of how the business works and how it can change your own life too. Okay, so let's proceed. Now this is me here. You can see on the first dashboard I'm having like $3,000. This is just the screenshot of when I just got started. If I show the recent screenshots, you will just feel like you are going to say that this doesn't work. That is why I just have to show the screenshot that I'm having small earnings, because if I should show recent earnings, you are going to be amazed at the results that I'm getting in this. Do you understand? Now let's proceed. Now this is a certificate of when I got paid working with a digital company. I made 7 figures, which is $1 million in a single month, as you can see very clear. And also if you check here, there are different screenshots here. This is just on the first screenshot, that's payment for commission working with digital company, and this one is for sales challenge, and all that. We are going to get more clear as we move forward. Now for this, why people fail online, let me tell you, because they are jack of all trade. And no, even you might have had the experience of working, doing different things. Jack of all trade, you can never make it if you want to be doing different things at the same time. How many energy will you get? You don't have structure, and you don't have mentorship, and you also have Ponzi scheme mindset. You can never make it. Social media monetization system is the process of using proven digital system to generate consistent income through your smartphone, data, and internet. It simply means learning how to make your phone and social media platform work for you, instead of you just scrolling and wasting your time daily. And this is the system we are talking about. This is a system that can change your life. Okay, now different systems that people use to monetize their social media and earn big. We have the all social content monetization, we have digital affiliate marketing system, and we have a virtual friend or cyber friend monetization. Also we have the artificial intelligence monetization. With these skills, you are going to pack a lot of money in the internet space, I bet you. Now the beauty is that you don't need to show your face, you don't need expensive devices, you don't need to be popular. Just follow a proven process I'm going to be giving you 100%. Now what are the benefits of social media monetization system? It does not affect your job or studies. You earn even while you are sleeping. You build a global audience. You build an authority online. You don't need previous experience at all. Now how fast can this change your life? If you start now, you can begin earning under 15 to 30 days, because the monetization system is fast and beginner friendly. Now look at this lady, as a favor. Look at it. She said the business I told you about just paid me over 400k naira into my bank account after paying me 300k last week, which is total sum of 700k in just 10 days. Which job in Nigeria or in your country can pay you that? Look at Dorothy. My 720k landed safely in my bank account. The business has started with small money. She started with a little money, registration fee. Now he's paying us 6 to 7 figures every week, despite all this responsibility as a wife. She's a busy person. Look at how much she's earning. That this one you are seeing here is YouTube automation for my students. Look at, he said, if I did it, you can do it too. Keep going. Look at, he made 7.4 million with YouTube. I messaged him, how is your YouTube going? Look at the results he sent to me. He withdrew $1,157. That is the result of social media monetization. Now listen to me. Let's unveil the system. Let me show you the real system that's happening now. See, what is the secret and power behind this online business? In every business doing well, online and offline, there's always a secret guide behind the social media monetization combo. Inside this social media monetization combo, it is a course that has simplified everything in this video step by step. It will show you how to do this, how to do that, how to set up. It's a clear system that will not confuse you. Even a 10-year-old can understand everything you need to monetize your social media. Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube is here, and also how to start digital marketing properly, and most importantly my premium mentorship where I'll be guiding you, and also the community where you are going to meet people that are doing the same thing and you bid with them is there, where we'll solve your problems. Now let's move forward. Now the SMMC is the simplest, easy to understand and most valuable step-by-step blueprint you will ever come across. It is built to help Africans start earning legitimately at their own comfort with their smartphone, even without any experience. Now there are 4 major skills in the SMMC. The 4 major skills inside: YouTube, TikTok, Facebook automation, digital marketing, chatting with foreigners, AI monetization. You can see these 4 major skills you are going to learn to make a lot of money. Like, it's going to change your life. Do you understand? Now let's move forward. Now check this. This is coming. You can pause this video and read this clear. It is coming from my students that got access to me recently, and look at, under few days they can get result, massive result. So you don't have to spend months and years struggling. Under a few days they implement everything that I'm going to be showing you. You are going to start getting result. If you read this too, the same thing from my student, from the one from Twitter, you can see my name tag there. One from my Telegram mentorship group, can you see the social media monetization community? You can see people from another country are even still earning in this business. It doesn't matter your age. Now look at this screenshot. You can pause the video and look at this screenshot of my earning. Look at look at what I said. Look at, that is the power of consistency in this business. Now check this screenshot again. You are going to see payment from chatting. This is payment from chatting, from foreign app. We are going to get access from all those apps too. So these are the things I use to make money. Now let's read this from Digital Mom Jelisa. Look at what she said. Look at how much she earned: 580,000. Can you see? Digital Mom Jelisa. Can you see? Also the last screenshot, 5 cars by digital marketing, digital play marketing. Okay, this woman collected 5 cars under 1 year. 1 year, in 1 year, 5 cars for free. Now you don't have to buy this car. As long as you're working with any digital platform that I'm going to be revealing to you, okay, you'll be able to win sales challenges. It's also going to boost the momentum. You are going to have properties in your name. You know, even the commission you are earning, you are not even going to touch it. Look at this payment from my students. This is what you can make with your smartphone. And check again, these are earning from Facebook, from TikTok, from YouTube. As you can see, it's very clear. See, God is the greatest. If you don't use social media smartly, you are still going to be struggling. Okay, now how to get started. Now listen to me. What I am about to give to you is not just another online course. This is a complete social media monetization system that has helped me and my students turn our smartphone into stable daily income machine. This combo is one-time opportunity that gives you everything you need to succeed, even if you are starting from scratch. Okay, now listen to me. Here is what you'll be getting inside. You get access to full access to social media monetization system. I hope you understand. You get access to a free digital online store. You get access to tools and secrets to automate your earning, and also you get access to private mentorship, direct access to me. You also get access to my inner circle community. Another bonus I have for you: immediately you start, you get the seller monetization guide. You also get the dollar chart blueprints. Then you get the YouTube automation and monetization complete guide. Now listen to this. You also get TikTok monetization to start getting paid directly from TikTok. You get access to Facebook monetization blueprints. You get access to AI monetization. Also, Then the value of everything, if you are going to see everything, you can pause the video and watch the prices. If you are going to see the value of all these things you are getting access to, the value of everything you'll be getting plus the bonus is 600k if I want to charge you one by one. But I will not be charging you that amount if you watch this video to this level. You will not even be paying 100k. But officially, I will give you access for this for just 50k, a one-time payment. Meanwhile, wait, I remembered I have some bonuses for fast action takers, for people that are starting now. Okay, this is exclusively for you if you are starting right now. Okay, I'll personally teach you this for free. I'm going to teach you this for free. Look at this: WhatsApp monetization, artificial intelligence for digital marketing, ChatGPT money making prompts, how to create a landing page, Telegram marketing, access to my money making books. You get access to it. Okay, and final bonus for you: this one expires in 3 hours. Instead of paying 50k, you'll be paying a one-time payment of 25k if you are starting right now. So I know I shouldn't be doing this, but because of my promise to you at the beginning of this video that I'm going to give you some gifts, that's why I'm giving you this. So you have access to pay now 25k alone, only 25k. You get access to everything on my mentorship to start making money online with your smartphone. Then why am I doing this for you? I don't want you to have any reason not to start. Okay, you will pay just 25k and save 25k, but after 3 hours the discount ends and the official price goes back to 50k. No limit to what you can earn. There's no limit to the amount you can make with this system. It depends on how serious you are. I hope you understand. Now 30 days from now, imagine 30 days from now, you start seeing money enter your account on a daily and weekly basis. Okay, you can stay where you are and continue struggling, or you can take action today right now and your life will change forever. Now listen to me. What should you do right now? Message me with "I am ready to make my payment now," or message the person who sent this video to you. Okay, message the person with "I am ready to make my payment now," and the person will guide you on how to get started. Now listen to me. Start today. This system changed my life, the lives of many of my students and colleagues. It can change your life too, but only if you take action. I can make this video long and share a lot of testimony, but I have to just keep to time so that you can know what you are here for. Good luck. I can't wait to give you access to my mentorship and the social media monetization combo. I can't wait to receive your testimony of your first $1,000 in my community.